There is some snowmobile races going on. It is about to be 60 degrees, and we've got snowmobile hill drags at the ski hill today. I hear him. I learned something today. Even if you have permission from a month ago from people who work there, I always double check before you fly your drone anyway. I'm cool, they're not too mad, especially because I was like nice about it, but yeah. Apparently no drones at the ski hill. After getting kicked out of the ski hill, I decided my wife and I are gonna go mountain biking. She's never been mountain biking before, so took her mountain biking. We were out on the Carp River Loop. I think it's called Gorgeous. Yeah, after this, I'm gonna go hit my buddy with a jet ski. It's a good place to get drinking water. Leg cramp. See if my buddy is still on the jet ski. I know he's having some issues getting it running a little bit ago, so I don't know if he kept at it or went home, or I'm running late. We'll see. If he's there, we're gonna get some footage of that, see if I can't get the drone up. It's a little windy. Yeah, it's a beautiful day here, guys. Just beautiful. Talk to you in a few. I am just getting home. It's been a fun day, but I think I'm gonna call it here today, guys. This will be the end of it for this vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.